Okay, so hopefully the last video was fun where we added equations and we were able to solve the system. Now, don't write this next part down. So it says to solve by the addition method. So you're like, okay, I know how to do that. I'm going to add these equations. 3x and x is 4x, and 5y and negative 2y is 3y, and negative 11 and 11 is 0. The problem is, and I said don't write this down because I'm going to erase it. The problem is this doesn't help. You have to eliminate one of the variables. Doesn't help. So we didn't get rid of the x and we didn't get rid of the y, so we can't get anywhere. It's not that it's wrong, it just doesn't help. So we're not going to do that. We have to make sure that something eliminates, that one of the variables eliminates. That's why I called it elimination by addition, and some textbooks use that terminology. So when I add the equations, I have to make sure either the x's are canceling out or the y's are canceling out. So let's look at our system. Wouldn't it be great if there were a negative 3 right there? Like that would be perfect. Then 3x and negative 3x, those would eliminate and we could solve this system. That's our goal. Well, we can have a negative 3 there. We're allowed to multiply by whatever we want as long as we do it to both sides and as long as it's not 0. Okay? So we're going to choose a number so that something will eliminate. We're going to choose, in this case, to multiply by negative 3. So my top equation is going to stay the same, 3x plus 5y equals negative 11. But now I'm going to get a new equation for my bottom equation. I'm going to have negative 3x plus 6y. I have to distribute, okay, so negative 3 times negative 2y equals negative 33. So I'll have to go negative 3 times 11. You have to do both sides of the equations. Okay, so yay, that's going to be helpful because now when I add them, 3x and negative 3x cancel out. I get 11y equals negative 44. I like the looks of that. I'll divide both sides by 11, and I get y equals negative 4. Yay! But I only have half of the equation. I only have y. So I have to find x. So we're going to substitute. Now, you can pick either this equation or this equation or this equation. It doesn't really matter which one you pick. I'm going to pick this one right here. X minus 2y equals 11. That was the original bottom equation. The only reason I'm picking that one is because the numbers are smaller, but you could pick the top equation if you want. I'm putting in the y value that I just figured out. Subtract 8 from both sides. Okay, so x is 3, y, oops, I'm writing x. X is 3, and y is negative 4. And again, you could check those by plugging them into both equations one at a time, see if it works.